Oh. Now, hey guys, what do you want to do today? Wait, who is this guy? Hey, I am the very disgusting. I know this. What are you doing? Stop that! No! Oh. There is this thing. Just Ken is here. Stop. Hey. Well, want to go to the water park or something? I don't know, but I'm very interested. Joseph, Jerry, Jerry. You want to go to the water park? Yes, dude. Yeah. Oh, forget me. Well, I'm home alone now. Well, Ken is here. Ken is here, but it's very convenient. Wow, we're in the water park. Well, there's so many weird stuff about it. Why there's so many pens and it's very delicious. Wow, it's so dirty. Ay, dude. I don't know what you guys. Very. What do you have to say? Okay. Go ride to this car? Okay. Jack, all of you, you will see the most goodest thing in the earth. Okay. That was the goodest thing I ever seen in my life. Guys, what do you want to do now? Just wait for Kenny. Jerry, are you going here? What happened here? Why? No, not this it. Okay, bye. Who is this thing? Hey, don't touch me, or I bite your ear. Okay, that's good.